Alrighty, we have Cactus, WHD. Looking at trade ideas here, gives you beautiful information on one chart, which is absolutely great. Short float, 8%. Looking at daily chart here, if we zoom out, we can see, boom, big old chop zone, fake out, breakout, opposite end range here, right? Then it finally moved a decent amount, had a nice little pullback to the 10 EMA, moved higher, made a new high, came back down, broke all of those, and then it just chopped sideways. All right, can you guess? Yes, this setup, my play here is a break out of balance and retest. So going to the 30-minute chart again. If I plug in the zones here, I'm not gonna do it for this one, but basically I have a balance zone of 59.90 to 58.10. We can see price broke down, okay, chop, chop, look above, fail, look below, fail, opposite end range, look above, low, so look above, fail, opposite end range, right? So that's basically the balance zone here. My play was here, look above, makes a new high, okay, so it breaks this resistance right around that level, and then starts selling off. So this is the new high that I'm kind of looking at here compared to this. Now I'm looking for a new low to form, okay? And that new low forming is ideally at this retest area, at the retest of the 10 EMA, as well as a 20 EMA, right? As well as this anchored VWAP from the high. So I have a lot of confluence here, which is nice. And so what I'm looking at is I'm basically entered on this day right here, the August 29th, which is a Thursday. It pushed up in the morning, chop, chop, chop all day sideways, holding the VWAP of the day. Okay, VWAP of the day. As of note, this is a lower volume stock than I don't typically trade, but the setup was there, so I decided to take it, and the 8% short float was enticing. And so I took it, and I entered right around here, around 60.50. There's a nice little volume pump somewhere right there that I kind of liked. So I thought it might break the highs of the days and go, but obviously it did not. Got a little shake out of this zone here, trap some shorts, right? So if we just draw a line, make it easier to see, boom, break that zone, fails, so it retests, fails to go lower, and so it tests that other prior high. Also, that does break that high and fails to go higher. So here we go. It goes back down, right? And then it just continued to fall. However, this wasn't until Friday here. So I entered here. My stop was 59.20. So the low of my thought was this should have been the higher high. It broke this nice downtrend line, has the 10 higher high compared to this level at the 10-20, holding the VWAP, holding the daily VWAP. So I had a lot of confluence, thought it would be good, but obviously did not work out, and I just got chopped again. It moves back into zone, almost takes the opposite end. Who knows what will happen, but it's just chopping. I'm not going to touch this thing again.